Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to your Wagon R's infotainment system. We will cover the simple steps for wireless Bluetooth pairing, enabling hands-free communication and audio playback. Then, we will explore the wired USB connection, which unlocks features like Android Auto and Apple CarPlay for enhanced navigation and app access. Finally, I will share some helpful tips to ensure a smooth and reliable connection every time you drive. Connecting your phone via Bluetooth is straightforward. First, ensure Bluetooth is active on your smartphone and set to discoverable. Next, on your Wagon R's Smart Play Studio screen, tap the phone icon. From there, select Add Device and choose the option to search from Infotainment System. Your car will then scan for nearby devices. Once your phone appears in the list, select it and confirm the pairing request on both your phone and the car's screen. You can connect up to 3 phones simultaneously. For a more integrated experience, connect your smartphone using a USB cable. Simply plug your phone into the car's USB port, typically located in the center console. The infotainment system, often the 7-inch Smart Play Studio, will then display options like Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Select your preferred application to mirror your phone's interface, gaining access to navigation, music, and messaging directly on the car's screen. This connection also provides fast charging for your device. If you encounter connection issues, here are some helpful tips. Always ensure your Wagon R is stationary when attempting to pair a new Bluetooth device, as some systems restrict pairing while moving. If you see a BT not available message, try deleting older, unused devices from your car's Bluetooth list. Keeping your phone's operating system updated is also crucial for compatibility. For USB connections, always use a high-quality, certified cable to ensure stable data transfer and charging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.